Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic cloud computing. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, whenever we talk about cloud computing, basically we are talking about services different to access different services through the internet. Cloud is basically referring to the remote servers, remote access through the internet. Okay, so that is why it is called as cloud. And computing means accessing of different services like data storage, databases, networking, software, applications. So that means basically rather than deploying all the applications in your own data center or in your own, your own premises, on premises, you are deploying all the applications, storage, databases, networking on the remote servers through the internet. You will access those services, and maintenance of all those services is basically maintained by the remote server. For example, Salesforce, other cloud computing environment like Microsoft Azure, AWS. They are basically providing you the cloud computing services, and all the services like database, networking, all software, all these services are basically reside on their cloud computing on their remote servers, and you basically are using those services and paying only for those services which you are using. For example, you have used only for 1 month, you will pay for only for 1 month. So that is called as pay as you go as well. Different cloud services are available, like for example email storage, backup, data retrieval, testing applications, analyzing audio and video streaming, delivering software on demand. So there are lots of software services. Different cloud services are available which you can avail it. Mainly there are three main types of the clouds. First one is the public cloud. Basically in the public cloud it provides services on the servers and storage on the internet. These are operated by third parties companies and handle and control all the hardware, software, and the general infrastructure. You have to create the account and you can use those public clouds. Next is the private cloud. Basically these are reserved for a specific client. So that means if you have you are using the private cloud, so that means it is not shared, you are only using that private cloud. And you are using private network as well, but obviously it will be more expensive because you are not sharing your the remote access remote service with anyone else, so obviously it will be expensive. Next is the hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud means it is a merger of a public and private cloud is as well. This type of model allows the user more flexibility and helps optimize the user infrastructure and security. There are mainly three types of cloud computing. Software as a service, that means it involves the license of a software application to customer. Basically, in simple way, you are using the software which is deploying on the remote servers, and you will only pay as you go model. That means how much you will use, you will pay for that only. Very best example of software as a service is the SaaS. That means the Salesforce. Salesforce is the very best example of software as a service. Infrastructure as a service (IaaS) involves model method for delivering everything from operating systems to servers and storage through IP-based connectivity as part of a on-demand service. Clients can avoid the need to purchase software or servers and instead procure those resources and an outsource on-demand service. So that means you don't need to worry about the licenses of the hardware. All the things will be managed by the remote servers. Platform as a service is considered the most complex of the three layers of cloud-based computing. PaaS shares similarities with SaaS, the primary difference being that instead of delivering software online, it is actually a platform for creating software that is delivered via the internet. This model includes platforms like Salesforce.com and Heroku. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.